drop it.
Hello friends, I am Pratik Thorat and today we are going to unbox Thrustmaster Racing Wheel GT for PC and PS3. I brought it today from Amazon and I am really excited to unbox this one. So let's get started. Furthermore, I have also bought a laptop from Acer with model number 51551G as a Aspire series. So let's get started with this unboxing. The delivery from Amazon was very fast in one day as I used the Prime module. The packing is very nice and proper. So here is a very nicely packed box with the invoice costing just 4,800 rupees, and for the starter gamers it's really nice too. So here I am taking out the box, really excited. A very nice cushioning, very nice cushioning by Amazon. So let's keep the box aside. So here it is, what we were waiting for. Let's unbox. Put in. Woohoo! Yeah. So here are some information booklets. And you should compulsory read it before installation of this drive. Okay. So first comes the steering wheel, the most main model. So it is a very nicely creamed, rubber coated, feels very real. This is the clamp area which we are going to clamp to the table. 2 hand gear shifters. They are optional to this. Let me remove it first to show you. Okay. This is the clamp which we are going to fit below the table to fit the steering. So here comes the table. Proper. Not too small, not too big. Perfect for gaming. They come with something like RJ45 cable, like LAN port, which we use for telephone. And this is going to fit in the steering module. They are two tucked now. We can adjust their resistance as per our need. So let's keep this aside. Coming to the steering consists of 2 sequential levers for gear shifting and for brake. Okay, you can use it as a simple joystick which has 12 programmable buttons over here. You can see they can be programmed as per your need. There is auto centering linear resistance that after tilting it, when we leave, it comes to its main position. You can see here. That feels really like the real car. So that's it for unboxing. Keep watching for further detailed review of Thrustmaster Racing Wheel GT, and I will also come up with the okay, let me tell about this. This laptop as an Aspire, I have did a very big research, and then after 10 to 15 days I came to the conclusion that this is the best laptop under 40,000 for gamers, for programmers, for students and for daily use. Thank you, keep watching, bye bye.